Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 14th, and we have made it to day number 116 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are using one offer from ClickBank, a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing it. Okay. So just wanted to come here and share these videos with you, share these testimonials and show you, how to do stuff, how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret, how easy it is. And then also show you the results from the emails that we're sending out every single night. Okay. So let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. We're on day number 116 of the challenge. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day that you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads. Okay, so what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. Okay, so the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets is that they give you an opportunity to stack your accounts, so you can have more than one account. Right now, I have 8 different accounts that I use. Okay. And what I did is when I came in, I signed up under someone. And then once I signed up under them, I started signing up under myself and start stacking my accounts. Okay. And that's what you can do. And that's why, My Lead Gen Secret is a pretty cool company because they let you have multiple accounts. They let you have as many accounts as you want and they give you as many subscribers as you want. Okay. So, all of my accounts have 200 leads in them, except for one has 100 subscribers in it. 100 subscribers that I get every day in it. So that's the cool thing. So a lot of my accounts have the 200 leads. All right. But if you're just starting out, your first account, if you only have one, it's just going to have 100. You get that second account, that first account is going to get 200 leads. Okay. And then you get that third account, your second account is going to get 200 leads. So you'll start getting 500 new subscribers every single day. All right. Which is pretty awesome. So you can see the power of this thing. And just a little bit about myself. I've been doing this with My Lead Gen Secrets over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. The only thing is that this is cold traffic. So it does take, these people getting warmed up to you. So they know who you are. Okay. And then they start purchasing from you. Okay. So that's pretty much how it goes. All right. So this is the mailing system. You have these tabs that come across here. You have the My Leads that show you the leads that are coming in. So as you can see, every single day we are getting brand new subscribers coming in. The master email swipes are some additional email swipes that you can buy. But for the sake of these videos, okay, we're just using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. Where you're really going to be hanging out at, guys, is in the mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. So pretty much all you do is you come over here. This is the offer that we're promoting, which is social sales rep. This is a one of the top offers on ClickBank in the e-business e-marketing section. They have the free email swipes that you guys can use. So pretty much all you have to do is come down here, guys, and just start copying and pasting emails over to the system. You have 20 different emails that you can use. Okay, from 1 all the way down here to 20. Okay, that you can go to, and all you have to do is copy and paste these over to the system. All right, it's super easy. So once you copy and paste these leads over, what's going to end up happening is that those emails will be stored in your back office. Okay, so all you have to do is come here and you would just simply grab an email. Okay, let's just say that email, and you click load. It's already in there for you. Okay, it's already ready to go. And then all you got to do is come down here, click on perfect timing, and then click on send now. It's just super easy to do. Okay. And these emails are good because they're known to convert. That's why they have these emails here for you guys to, send them out. All you got to do is copy the subject line, come back over to the mailing system and paste it. So say, for instance, let's just give you just a quick here example. Okay. I won't go all the way through it, but you take that, the subject line, you come over here, and then you just control V, right? So you have the subject line, and then you come down here, you do the same thing with the body. Like it's just super easy to do, guys. If you need more tutorials on how to send out the emails exactly, go back and watch these previous videos so you can see basically how I'm, copying and pasting these emails over, and then how we're turning these into clickable links. Okay, because all these emails have a call to action link. I mean, a call to action text, which is in bold text. So it shows you where to put your link in. So what we would do is we would highlight that and we would click on the link tab, which is right here, and then it turns your link into a clickable link. That way you can hide your affiliate link in that URL. I mean, into that clickable link, and then when our prospect clicks on the link, it takes them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page does all the selling and telling for us. Okay, so really, pretty much as affiliate marketers, all our job is to copy and paste the emails, and then get our visitors to go into our website. Okay, to our affiliate page, and then our affiliate page is going to pretty much do all the selling and telling for us. Super easy to do. Excuse me. It's super easy to do, guys. And I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So if you come over here and you come down here to the more tab, click on this MLGS True Freedom link. Okay. It's going to take you to the landing page of the My Legion Secrets. And this right here where you can get started, guys. I recommend you guys go ahead and get started. Now, there is a one-time charge of only $60 to keep this service. Okay. And then also, I'm gonna mess something up, guys. Sorry about that. Let me see here. So there's $60 to keep the service. Okay. And then there is $60 to start it, and then $30 a month to keep it. Okay. So as long as you're keeping this service, you're going to have you're going to have leads coming in every day, and you're going to be able to send out one email every 24 hours. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you pretty much send out an email in the My Legion Secret system. I recommend you guys going ahead and get started today. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to, and you can grab different offers that are related to making money online. And pretty much what you do is you would just grab one of those offers like I just showed you. And then you would just use the free email swipes, and then you would just copy and paste those over. And that's pretty much what we're doing, guys. We're just taking emails, we're copying them, and we're pasting them into the system. And we're getting, we're earning, we're getting visitors, we're getting traffic, we're getting subscribers, and we're getting people that pay. Okay. So as you can see right here, this has kind of been the algorithm. Usually it's been like every day. Okay. And then every other day we may get a sale, or every 2 days. Okay. The algorithm shows that we haven't went longer within 2 days of having a sale. So that's really good. That's just kind of letting me know that we're getting closer and closer, okay, to making, a sale every single day. Okay. So the reason why we're promoting this offer, because it does have a $20 rebill each and every month. So every time that someone signs up for a free trial, what ends up happening when somebody signs up for a free trial, okay, they that person, they pay their dollar. Okay. You don't get paid from the dollar. You get paid 3 days later when that person actually buys the program. They get billed for the program. So let's say, for instance, today's the 14th. Someone signed up today, and they got billed for it in 3 days. So we would get a commission on August the 17th. Okay. We would get that commission, and then every 17th of the month, we would get another commission from that same person. So we would get September 17th, October 17th, November 17th, and December 17th. So as long as that person stays on, with the program, and they're working and they're making money, which is what I see a lot of people doing, you're going to get that rebill over and over and over and over again. Okay. And the whole idea here, guys, the whole method to this madness is that we get multiple people signing up for the free trial, and multiple people getting billed each and every month. Okay. So that way you're going to start having, $20 days, $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days. All right, guys. So it's very exciting. Once you put your time in this and put your effort into this, guys, has to be something that you have to commit to. Okay. This is not one of these type of methods which you can come in, you can send out an email, and you're going to make hundreds of dollars next week. Okay, it just doesn't work that way. You have to come in every single day and you have to grind it out. You have to send out emails every single day, okay, to get the results. Okay, and that's kind of that's what I'm doing, guys, right now. Now, this ClickBank account, I just specifically made just for you guys. I have multiple ClickBank accounts that I promote, offers in and do other stuff in to make money. But this account, I'm just using strictly just for My Legion secret traffic. Well, the method, right? My Legion secret method. And then this is the results that we're getting from the method. Now, I do like other YouTube stuff that I do, like videos, free videos and stuff like that. I may be getting some free traffic from, but the whole this video series is just about one offer, okay, and using one traffic source for the offer, and we're just going to zero in on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and check our results today. Let's go and go over to the reporting tab. Okay, and today is August the 14th. Okay, and today we're promoting social sales rep, and we only got 747 hops and then 724 unique hops. Okay, what I've been noticing lately is that the traffic has not been, as much as I would want. Okay, now I know before we were in the thousands, 1100, 1200, 1300 hops. Okay, right now it's kind of down right now, and that could just be a time frame. People are just, not looking to, look at emails every minute of the day. So I did see a drop in traffic. Okay, but you know, we're still going to keep rocking this thing out. Okay, and to get to the end of this thing. Okay, the light at the end of the tunnel. All right, so this is the results today. We got these traffic here. We got the hops. We got the unique hops, which are brand new IP addresses. We got one person to go to the checkout page that were getting ready to buy for whatever reason, and then or they didn't buy for whatever reason. So unfortunately, we didn't get a initial sale today. Okay, and then we didn't get a rebill as well. Okay, which I'm thinking about, kind of seeing that, if it's slowing down right now or we're getting ready to go into a period where we're going to get ready to take off, right? So, just wanted to show you guys these results that I got today. Okay, this is the traffic right here. These are the results. We did get an order form impression. We got somebody that went to that checkout page. Usually, when this person is going through the checkout page, they're ready to buy. Okay, so the fact that they didn't, kind of surprises me. But at the same time, we're still only 4 months into this thing, and the algorithm, like I said, has just been every other day or every 2 days that we've been getting a sale. Okay, so I'm going to end this video on that note. We did send some emails out tonight, so I'm curious to see kind of what tomorrow looks like, and what those emails will go out tomorrow. Well, to go out, they went out tonight, but tomorrow, all throughout the day, morning, and all throughout the day to the night. Okay, we're going to check those results and see if we got any type of traction and see if we can kind of pick it up a little bit. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and meet up with you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.